In this video, I will be talking about this crazy important consolidation phase on Bitcoin, and is history right now in repeating just like last time around? Are we going to see another significant breakdown? I will be talking about this, and on top of that, we currently confirmed the insane signal that I discussed yesterday on my channel, and I will be talking about it a little bit more in detail on today's update video, and much more will be getting discussed on today's update video, so make sure to smash up that like button. On the previous upload, we smashed it up above 400 likes. Can we today smash it up to 500 likes? That will be absolutely amazing. So smash up the like button right now. It's only going to take a few seconds of your time. And let's jump right away in towards the imminent short term on today's update video. And that is of course on the 1 hour time frame, because yesterday we were talking about this critical level of resistance. And like you can currently see here, this previous resistance zone, previous resistance right here, clear resistance at the beginning point of July. And you can see we are currently breaking above this level and flipping it somewhat already into support. So this is actually a pretty interesting price action we're currently spotting on the market. Bitcoin, of course, not clearly breaking through. I am not 100% convinced we clearly confirmed the breakthrough. However, we are closing some candles above it right now. And yeah, we are definitely indicating some strength here. Clearly, if you're looking at the 4 hourly time frame, you can see, okay, the past 4 hour candles have been basically going sideways. There is nothing happening yet so far. I still think the major resistance to look at for the Bitcoin trend here is going to be somewhere around that 22.5k target, 22.8k, the previous range high in the market basically over here. Of course, what we're also currently looking at is of course this upward sloping support line, this upward sloping resistance line, or basically this bear flag channel of course we're currently trading in, right? So the lower side providing support several times before, top side providing resistance. We're basically swinging left and right in this pattern. So let's see what it is going to be playing out like, but currently we can clearly see we're just in the middle of a larger time frame consolidation phase. And really, if you're just going to zoom out, just like last time around here, Bitcoin is once again consolidating in such kind of a range, right? So if you really remove all the drawings, it seems very obvious again what we're doing. We're just trading sideways, and we're still waiting to see which direction we're actually heading towards. And of course, that is why it's going to be so important to look at these upward sloping support lines right here, because just like last time around, once we did broke this uptrend right here, we confirmed the breakdown. That was the point. We were seeing that large plunge along the way down, right? So what we right now want to be looking at is that as soon as we do break this upper sloping support line, I personally think we should become very bearish again on the market. But as long as we're not doing so, we could definitely remain pretty neutral. And that is why I am going to be looking at this bear flag scenario. And as long as we're not breaking down, we are definitely all right here. Then furthermore, still on the daily time frame, nothing really changed yet so far over here. And looking as well on the RSI, I told you guys before, as soon as we do break this RSI uptrend, we could be in for some more problems. But of course, as long as we're not breaking it, it will be quite alright. And also looking at the Bollinger Bands here on the market, we still have not clearly decided which direction we're going to be breaking towards. Lower side providing support, top side providing resistance. Like you can see, the Bollinger Bands is even squeezing the price action more in towards an apex. And just like last time around here, once these kinds of things happen with the Bollinger Bands here, it tends to indicate there is going to be a massive amount of volatility going to be imminent on this market. So do still expect, not maybe this week, maybe not next week, but we are going to be experiencing some extreme big volatility. And I personally actually am expecting that it is going to be somewhere around this or next week. But it can definitely take some more time before it's going to be playing out here, because yeah, this is a larger time frame consolidation phase we're currently in. But do expect there is going to be a high amount of volatility on this market. Then of course, looking at the 3-day time frame, and before talking about this important consolidation phase here, where I already gave some hints about, we can clearly see right now on this market, the 3-day time frame, it is suggesting us something very interesting, because we officially confirmed the bullish crossover. Like you can see over here on the channel, we confirmed the bullish crossover on the MACD, and this is a very bullish signal, because like I told you guys yesterday, historically speaking, this signal is providing an approximately return rate of 30% towards the upside. And just like last time around here, like you can see here, 77% returns, 47% returns here back in November. Then if I'm going to look over here, we saw an approximately, 30% return over here. Then as well, what we could be expecting right now is somewhere around that 30 to 40% return again, right? So if we're going to be looking for somewhat of a 30 to 40% return, we're going to be looking for a Bitcoin already around $25,000. So yeah, please take this serious, because yeah, the 3-day MACD time frame is currently suggesting we are entering an uptrend, we are entering some bullish momentum, and this could be leading towards massive, but massive market surges towards higher levels. So I won't be really surprised if we are going to see that massive market increasement. Then furthermore, looking at the daily time frame, guys, is history right now in repeating? How can I answer this? In one straight word, yes, it is in repeating. History is currently repeating for Bitcoin. And the question is really going to be here, are we going to be breaking bullish or are we going to be breaking bearish? It's going to be all eyes on this pattern in my opinion. And this upper sloping support line is going to be critical after seeing three perfect touch points over here, of course, getting generated, and Bitcoin also holding this line over here. We can clearly argue about, okay, this is an important level to look at, and as soon as we do break the top side of resistance, we are expecting more continuation towards the upside. But like we do know, we are currently in a bear trend, and after creating such kind of consolidation phase, just like last time around in a bear trend, you tend to break down. Once again, we're doing the same. Is this going to be another breakdown? That's going to be the big question. And for that, and for us to anticipate this with a trade, we just have to be looking at this upward sloping support line. As soon as we do break it, I'm going to be going with a short. But anyways, I still believe that the pine cycle bottom indicator did flash, of course, here on the market. Is this going to be the exact bottom on the Bitcoin market right now? That's going to be the big question. But so far, yeah, the pine cycle bottom indicator did flash. And if you are able to get a long trade, just like me, in from the pine cycle bottom, you could be in for a very massive trade here. And like you can see, this trade is currently already in $2,800 of profit. I already closed more than $620 in profit as well. And it's approximately ROI of 44%. So if you are interested in trading, make sure to check out BitGet. It's a very US friendly exchange what you can be using. And yeah, no KYC required at all. And everyone from the US can also use this exchange. So pretty crazy to see. And if you are able to catch that trade from the swing low in the market, it's going to be absolutely very profitable. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching towards this amazing new update video. If you want to learn how to copy trade, check out the video that's currently popping up above. And I will catch you guys on the next one. Peace out. Goodbye.